Kolang maulo ama Horkha le Phaitha Phaika osa Mwtaino sa Phaika osa Mwtaino sa Phaika osa Mwtaino sa Phaika osa Mwtaino sa Shijaya no no kate khelo bring nani jati shoge chungkhuluna nung se chungma hamari rojina chungle ringya chungle shijaya no no kate khelo bring nani jati shoge chungkhuluna nung se chungma hamari rojina
Nirsa sidi nungbo musa sidi nungbo Osate busuk tong sinai Dini tong thok salo Haidi zoto palo Halo ke talaman jonai takdum khamle pung dekha Ukhorang no khunayani khapang sirangka takdum khamle pung dekha Ukhorang no khunayani khapang sirangka Hingra bubar pantoi thai musangai phaika Chal.
And how Tripura celebrate this Dasara? What is the message that you want to give to?
In the Shera, it is a victory over the good over evil. And if we want our state to prosper, if we want our people to go ahead and look beyond hatred and negativity, then the most important thing is that we have to change ourselves from within. See, the most powerful weapon that we have is love. And if we start loving our neighbors, we start loving our people, our environment around us, we will be able to go to a path of development and brotherhood and unity. So I wish everyone a very happy Dashera, Vijayadashmi, and I hope that like the good triumph over evil, we also triumph over our internal negativities, our internal evils, and let Tripura Northeast. There is so much trouble happening in Manipur, in parts of Tripura, in our neighborhood. I just hope that we go towards love and tolerance and positivity rather than anger, hatred and destruction.
In the morning you had a meeting